Yeah, hello. Today I'll show you how to attach an event from FMOD to Unity, and I'll explain the difference between 2D and 3D events. The first thing you have to do is to connect Unity with your FMOD project. There's an instruction how to do it on fmod.com, and I'll attach it to in the description. So I got my project attached. The next thing you have to do is to add a component, studio listener component, to your camera or to your player, and you do it by add component and just adding studio listener. So we can actually it's really similar to audio listener that you have, the normal audio listener we have in Unity. So we attach the studio listener component. And now let's look at how to create event in FMOD. And it's like you right click anywhere on the event section, and then select the new event, 3D or 2D event, and let's create a 3D event. And now we have to import some audio inside. You got like a blank audio track, and you do it by import audio files, and then choosing an audio file from your hard drive. I got some sounds imported here, and you can just drag and drop it into the inspector, and it's done. Your event is done. The only thing you have to do is we got this unassigned icon here. To assign it, we just right click it, assign to bank and to master bank. Now it's assigned to a master bank and it's ready to go. I got two events that I want to show you how to use today. It's this event is 3D event, and this one is 2D event. So now you have to only build your project, so it connects with the Unity and everything is up to date. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to write a C# script, so you can use your events. I'll write a really simple C# script and explain it to you real quickly. Here in the brackets I got like FMOD Unity event ref, and I got the public string, which is the name of my event. And this simple line allows me to choose events from the browser. I mean, here we got a little browser from which I can choose my events from the FMOD Studio. Okay, so the event is chosen. Let's choose the 3D event. The next thing I have to do is create an event instance, which is called Lana Audio. And then I get an awake function, which is so every time the game starts, the awake function is called, and everything in this function is executed. So basically, I created an instance of the event Lana Gra, which I've chose before from the FMOD, and assign it to an Lana Audio event instance. So this way, there's an instance of an event which contains the actual audio from the FMOD, and then I just told it to start playing. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to an update function. An update function is a Unity function which is called every frame. So the every frame, this line is telling Unity to check every frame where is the position of audio listener. So how far the listener is from the source of the audio. So this line is crucial for this script to work. Without this line, we won't be hearing anything. So don't forget to put it in your code, and that's all. That's all coding you have to do to run the script, and yeah. Then you have to attach it to some kind of object or a player. I attached it to this robo statue, and you do it by add component and just choosing FMOD example, because that's the name of the script. You can call it anyhow you want, and yeah, let's listen to it. So you could actually hear when I'm moving around the statue, like moving closer to statue, the audio is increased, and then when I'm moving, running around the statue, we can hear the movement of the sound source. I mean, if I'm at the left side of the figure, I can hear the sound on my right headphone or right speaker. And when I move really fast, the sound tend to jump around, and it's not really a pleasant experience to hear it. So that's where the 2D event comes. And I played the two. I just changed the event to 2D, and let's listen to that. So now we can hear that the distance is working the same way, the increase of the volume depending on the distance, but this 3D panning effect is not hearable anymore. So that's it. I'll show you how did I do it on a 3D effect, because it's not so straightforward. You can actually you can add a parameter, and you get some built-in parameters like this direction, elevation, and so on. And here you should have a distance, but I already created a distance parameter. And basically, you get like the automation line, like in any music music software. And here, it basically means that here on this timeline, I got a distance set on 20 meters or so on, and from 0 it means the sound source, to 20 I got the volume envelope. And so when I'm near the sound source, I want my sounds to be at the maximum volume, and when I'm getting far away, I want it to like slowly decrease. So you can adjust an automation line, and basically that's how the 2D sound works. If you get some questions, just write me in the comments. If something wasn't clear or you got some problems, just do the same. I'll try to help you and explain.